I'm Meg Caswell, and this is Welcome Home Angel. And I'm so excited because the Design Network has teamed up with Welcome Home Angel to transform spaces for children with special needs. Welcome Home Angel's designers have been hard at work completing and transforming each space to suit the child's special needs. We believe every child with special needs should have a welcoming home. Lindsay, thank you for coming with me today.
I'm thrilled to be here.
We are gonna go meet a boy named Zachary.
Okay.
He is an 18-year-old boy who has cerebral palsy, a seizure disorder, microcephaly.
Okay.
He lives with his grandmother. All he does is smile.
Oh.
He's loving living with his grandmother.
Good.
But we need to make his bedroom as happy as he is.
Okay, so it doesn't really reflect his personality at all.
At
right
all.
now. Okay.
When you get in there, you'll see. He is in a wheelchair. He does need assistance with movement. I want you to come in to do his bedroom and the bathroom.
Great.
So one of the biggest challenges for Zachary is that his grandmother, who is caring for him now, has to bathe him in this deep tub, and it's dangerous for her and it's dangerous for him. So we need to make this a safe bathroom for him.
Zachary's an 18-year-old quadriplegic with seizure disorder, epilepsy, does not walk, does not communicate, unable to do anything for himself. He's 100% dependable on somebody else. He's one happy little fella.
Let's start in Zachary's bedroom.
Okay.
He's getting a whole makeover in there. We're gonna open up the room and make it feel fresher and lighter and brighter. Really bring the outdoors in since he loves being outside so much.
Okay.
We're gonna rip out that garden tub.
Okay.
And open up the bathroom. Reconfigure your closet so that we've got more space for that opening between Zachary's bedroom and the bathroom to give direct access. We are meeting with two great local artists who have agreed to donate their time and their talent to this project. Since Zachary loves the outdoors so much and can't necessarily always go outside, we're bringing in the outdoors to him with a piece of artwork featuring the ocean and the water from Chris Frick, and then a mural on the ceiling painted by Anna that'll be kind of like a skylight so that when he's laying in his bed, he feels like he's looking outside.
So we're going to paint a sky in a frame on his ceiling and also add glow-in-the-dark stars that he can enjoy at night, and just make the space so that when he's here, he can also feel like he's outside. So it's a real gift to me to be able to use talents that I've been given to do something very special for Zachary.
We are fitting a wall to bring one of my ocean photos into Zachary's room to give him the power and healing that the ocean provides us. And with Zachary not being able to get to the ocean as often as others, it's impactful that we can bring the ocean to him.
I think we all know that at the end, it's gonna be worth it. We've just gotta get through this part, and on any project, it always gets worse before it gets better. The bathroom right now is in the middle of the process. This is sort of the ugly phase, but next comes the drywall, the paint, the tile, the vanities, all the fun stuff. It's right around the corner. The biggest change in here has been removing this giant garden tub that used to sit right
that was
here.
insane.
Yes.
And it was not useful at all.
It was
for
not
Zachary.
useful. We needed that space for the wheelchair to
Yep.
turn around in here. Then another huge change has been opening up the closet so we could add the doorway from his bedroom.
Can I do it?
You know, I think we should leave that to the pros.
Really?
Not that you're not a pro, Meg, but
I could do this. I think this is so much better. That was tight in here. It wasn't useful. It wasn't helpful to anyone.
There's a total difference in him with all that's going on. He knows what's happening. I believe he understands that this is for him and that he knows how special he is to everybody.
Hey, Lindsay.
hey, Meg.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Thank you.
Today's the big day.
I'm excited.
This room is gorgeous.
Thank
It's so bright. It was so dark before.
It was very dark and it felt very closed in. We've just tried to make it feel light and bright and open.
Great. Look at this skylight.
The artwork in this room is definitely my favorite part.
Tell me oh, really? Is that it? I was about to ask you what your favorite part is.
It is.
Is it the art?
It's the art.
All the parts that you didn't do. You're
Right.
so modest. You nailed it. You nailed it. Are you ready? You're
I'm
going to be
ready.
the one bringing them in. Hey, Agnes, Joe, Zachary, today's the big reveal day. You guys excited?
We are very excited.
Good. Well, Lindsay's gonna take you in.
Can't wait to show you.
It's been a long time coming. You guys have been very patient with us.
Thank you.
We're so excited.
Well, she's done a great
buddy.
job. Hey, lead the way, Lindsay.
Welcome to your new room.
Zach!
Boy.
You've got this beautiful mural on the ceiling. So you feel like you're outside with the mural that looks like a skylight and the big open windows with the new curtain panels so you can see outside.
Awesome. Is that not awesome?
Replace the carpet so it's easier to roll the wheelchair around.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
Got some new bedding, a fountain for a little zen, a little water fountain action.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty? What'd you get? Look at this room. Look at this room.
The overall goal in Zachary's room was just to make it a safer, brighter, more organized space. We wanted to open it up, make him feel like he could enjoy the outdoors from his own bedroom, and also wanted his wheelchair to be able to move around successfully and without any sort of obstacles.
Ooh, check this out. Oh, you got a bathroom. Check this out. Ooh, you like it? You like it? Look at that. Oh my goodness.
And now we've got a roll-in shower that's big enough for the new shower chair. Of course, then a new vanity, new tile floors. Originally, when we started this project, we were just doing Zachary's bedroom and the master bathroom, but we saw how much Kyle and Emma contribute to Zachary's care and felt like they deserved something special as well. So we have redone both of their bedrooms and are really excited to show those to them today. Emma and Kyle's bedrooms are both rather small, and it's all about storage in those spaces. So in Kyle's bedroom, he had a non-negotiable. It was his beloved beanbag chair. So we have given him a loft bed so that that beanbag can live underneath, and he's got kind of a cool fort area. In Emma's room, she has hidden storage underneath the bed and a bookcase as a headboard. So she's got all sorts of wall space that we're using to organize things with, since we don't have a lot of floor space to place furniture. So since they were such small rooms, we definitely wanted to make them brighter and lighter and feel more open again, just like in Zachary's bedroom. So we've got fun, fresh colors, and we hope they really love them. This has been a journey with some hiccups, and we have overcome them, and now we have this beautiful space for them to enjoy as a family. And we were able to select some great pieces from Furnitureland South in both Zachary's bedroom, Emma's bedroom, and Kyle's bedroom.
It has been a lifesaver because we couldn't do this. So with Welcome Home Angel, we're able to keep him and keep him safe. The shower in the bathroom makes it easy for him to roll in, to roll out, to get a shower, be safe. It is fantastic. You just don't understand what a great thing this is for him. I believe that your special needs individuals are put on this earth for a reason. They teach everyone compassion and love. A lot of people don't understand that. And with Zachary, it has brought us closer than you can imagine to understanding what it is to love somebody with your whole heart.